yumaman sa property, may tatlong truths na hindi masyadong sinasabi. Kasi karamihan, puro success stories lang ang naririnig. Puro success stories lang ang nakikita. Hard truth number 1. Property wealth is slow, pero powerful. Hindi ito get rich quick. Minsan, inaabot ng 5, 10, even 15 years bago mo makita ang full value ng property. Pero habang tumatagal, tumataas ang land value, tumataas ang renta, at patuloy kang kumikita kahit natutulog ka. Real estate rewards patience and long-term vision. Hard truth number 2, not all buildings make money. Maraming nagpapagawa ng building pero hindi profitable. Bakit? Kasi walang market study, tenant strategy, or layout optimization. Basta nagtipid lang. Maganda ang building pero walang gustong umpa. That's why design is not just about aesthetics. It's making sure the building actually earns. Hard truth number 3. The most expensive mistake is poor planning. Kapag mali ang planning sa simula, sayang ang floor area. Mahirap ito paupahan. Madalas ang renovation at tumataas ang operational cost. At ang masakit, mas mahal ayusin ang maling building. Building wealth through property is not about building fast. It's about building smart, because when the strategy is right, your building doesn't just stand there. It becomes an earning landmark. If you're planning to develop your property, let's talk strategy first. Book a consultation with us.